What is the first key point? The first key point is history is the study of the past. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्कूल में जाएंगे तो सबके सामने जल्दी तो बचना पड़ेगा। घर जाओ जब मिलेगा नहीं तो फायदा नहीं।
पता है ना पता है
नहीं उसने ये बात बताई।
Have you all written?
इसकी सारी बातें
Have you all written this much? No? Yes.
सारी बातें सीखी हुई ये पसंद।
The second is people study history are what are these people called? The people who study history. What are these people called? People who study history are called historians. Historians. Okay? People who study history are called historians.
Historians. Ma'am, done.
Done? All right.
Done.
What all do we study in history? Tell me. Can anybody tell me? What is there in history? What do we study in history? Right now. History is full of stories. History is full of stories. Stories about whom? History is full of stories about people of different times.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
All of you have written?
Ma'am, done.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Adya Singh done?
Yes. Yes.
Wonderful. Ansh Raj?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vedanshu Prakash?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
On last line.
Okay, once you finish it, let me know. Then I'll erase the whole thing
Ma'am,
and
what
write
is written after different?
different time. Time. Different times. Okay. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, if anybody is left, please let me know. Then the fourth point is history is vast and continuous.
Ma'am, what is written after is?
What is written after is? I have written history is vast and continuous. Why? Because it keeps going on. Anything which will be of the past will become history. Today we are living in the present, but in future we will be history for somebody, right? So history is very vast. What is vast? Vast is like very wide and big.
Ma'am, what?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And it is also continuous. It doesn't stop. It keeps going and it will go till ages. Till life.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes.
Ma'am, this we have to write in our copy.
Yes, beta. You write these key points in your. Have you joined late, Ansh Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody write all these 4 points. Write the heading as important points or key points.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am,
Okay, very nice. Very nice you have done. But I hope all of I hope be quiet. I hope all of you remember how you're supposed to do the work. Have you made your work very beautiful and presentable? Tell me, is it nice and beautiful or not? You're just writing it like that to finish it off.
Yes. Ma'am, I don't have color. That's why I cannot make it.
Okay, beta, but you have got your pencil, you've got a scale. You can do it with a pencil and scale also.
Ma'am, what we have to write the heading?
Beta, the heading is key points. What are key points? Key points are important points. Written?
Ma'am, I have done.
All of
No,
you have
ma'am.
done it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, hurry up and do it. Yes? Shall I erase it, children?
No, ma'am. I am at third point, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will just erase the first point. Everyone has written the first point.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. History is the study of the past. I'm erasing only this much. Then, what is the fifth point? After history is vast and continuous, then we have history
Ma'am.
is wait beta divided.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what about the third, second, and first question?
it is not a question, it is only key points. We are just writing down the important points of this chapter.
Ma'am, please cite. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is
History, yes,
at the third point different? Ma'am,
history is full of,
बात ma'am.
इसके बाद
Ma'am, different. Ma'am, on third
different
number.
times, TIMES.
Ma'am,
Can't
in
we
third
see?
point. Ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am, now I can see.
all right. Then history is divided into three periods. Now, what are those three periods? Ancient, then the second period is medieval, and the third period is modern. History is divided into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern.
After ancient,
After ancient is number 2, and then the word is medieval. Medieval period.
ma'am, what is
MEDIEVAL.
Ma'am, what is written after 3?
Wait, I'll just send a picture on the class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after 3?
After
Ma'am, after 3.
I can't understand, beta. After what?
Ma'am, after into
Ma'am, I
3.
Into 3 periods. Periods. Into 3 periods. Ancient, medieval, and modern. Everyone has written the 5th point.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, ma'am. Ayansh Patel, I have done.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I will.
Then,
Ma'am, we can post the work on WhatsApp group.
yes, I have sent. I have sent a little work. Not all. These are not all the sentences because the first one is missing. Okay, then the next point is history makes us appreciate. History makes us appreciate. What is the meaning of appreciate? Can anybody tell? When I say history makes us appreciate, what do I mean by it? Appreciate is to praise somebody, किसी की तारीफ करना. So history, because when we read history, what do? We also praise. Now, what do we praise? We praise the customs and habits, the rich culture that history shows us. History makes us appreciate rich,
मैं क्यों गेम खेलूंगा?
rich customs and habits. Who made these customs and habits? Who made? History makes us appreciate rich customs and habits left by our ancestors. Left by our ancestors.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, how many key points there?
Everyone has written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, what is written after our or
By our ancestors. See. Now can you see?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've done.
Please write the next statement. What is sixth?
Yes.
Ma'am, I've done. Can you send on the WhatsApp?
No,
ma'am.
beta, wait. We still have to write a little more. Don't send it now.
Okay,
Can I
ma'am.
erase the board? Tell me, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
ma'am. One minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen. It is black.
I'll give you one more minute. Finish it off because I'll erase the complete board now.
Ma'am, what is written in the sixth statement? Because, ma'am, I cannot see.
Wait, beta, wait. I'll again send the picture. Okay. History makes us appreciate rich customs and habits left by our ancestors. Is that fine? Okay, shall I erase?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you will do is leave a line. Now don't give any point number.
Ma'am, we can send it.
No, not now. Write it. Now just write. Can you see? This chalk is too light. Wait, let me change the chalk. Three periods of now that's the heading. Three periods of history. Now when we talk about our history, we have got three different periods. Which are they? The ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. So here I'm going to explain you, we are going to write what is the ancient period. Ancient period is the very old period when life had just begun. When life began, when the earth began, then that period is known as the ancient period. Write down. The first one is ancient period. Ancient
Ma'am, we have to
period.
start with a new page.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write on a new page.
Yes, on the same page. You can write it on the same page, beta.
કેમ આયા? Ma'am, we have to write this in a new.
No, better not on the new page, on the same page. This is the ancient period. Then came the medieval period. It is called the what is the medieval period called? It is called the Middle Ages. The medieval period comes between the ancient period and the modern period. And what is the modern period? The modern period is the history of the recent times. So these were the important points of this chapter. From the beginning till the end, we have these important points.
Am I done?
Very nice, very good. Done? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just revise. Which are the three periods of history? Everybody will speak.
An ancient period, medieval period, and modern period.
Very nice. Ancient period, medieval period and the modern period. Which period is the history of the recent times? Which period refers to the history of the recent times? Tell me. No, not third. Name it. Which period is the history of the recent times? Recent means that has just happened right now.
Ma'am, what modern period?
Yes, it is the modern period. Modern period is the history of the recent times. Recent is which has just passed. Okay, which period is also called as the Middle Ages?
Medieval period.
Very nice.
Period.
Medieval period is called the Middle Ages. Okay. Then tell me, who are historians? Who are historians?
That's
People who study history are called historians. Very nice. Children, just wait for a minute. I have some work. I need to send the link. Okay, it's time for your next class. Even you have got the link for your next class. So you can leave and join your next class. Okay, beta. Bye to all of you.
Bye.